In the fast-paced world of automotive innovation, staying ahead of the curve can greatly enhance your driving experience. From cutting-edge tech to ingenious solutions, whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to make your daily commute more enjoyable, these gadgets are designed to elevate your car game. Number 1. JOYROOM FM Transmitter. With this gadget, you can easily upgrade your car's audio capabilities. It functions as an FM transmitter, allowing you to play your favorite tunes through your car radio. Alternatively, if your vehicle has a 3.5mm jack, the aux mode delivers pristine sound quality directly through your car's audio system. Number 2. Car Air Conditioner Decoration Strip. If you're someone who loves to add a personal touch to your car's interior, then you can't afford to miss out on the air vent outlet decoration strip. This fantastic accessory brings a burst of color and vibrancy to your car's interior, showcasing your unique style. Number 3. Wiiyii OBD2 Gauge Display. This enhanced HUD display and car diagnostic scanner is a valuable tool for car owners. It enables quick reading and deletion of engine trouble codes and real-time data streams. Now you can accurately diagnose the cause of your check engine light and clear trouble codes without the hassle of visiting an auto repair shop. The display features a wealth of information, including speed, voltage, water temperature, RPM, fuel consumption, current time, single driving time, single mileage, total mileage, number of search stars, altitude, travel direction, accelerometer, G-value meter, acceleration test, brake test, and much more. Number 4. Xergur Car Headrest Pillow. Long car rides can be challenging, especially when you or your passengers want to catch some sleep. The Xergur Car Headrest Pillow is here to provide the comfort and support needed for a peaceful journey. You won't need any tools to install this headrest. It's a quick and simple process that can even turn into a fun family activity. This headrest is designed to fit most car seats. It plays a vital role in helping your child or passengers maintain a healthy and comfortable sleeping position, preventing head, neck, and shoulder pain. Safety is a priority, and this seat pillow has passed CalSpan safety crash tests to protect the head from potential impact with the car door window. Number 5. Topsace Car Side Mirror Squeegee. This innovative side mirror wiper boasts a unique design that allows you to effortlessly clean both sides of your side view mirrors. With an impressive length that extends up to 38.6 inches, it's the ideal tool for drivers to reach the mirror on the passenger seat side. When you're done, simply retract it to a compact 8.3 inches for convenient storage. Number 6. Car Voice Activated Rhythm Light. His innovative car accessory combines two essential features: a voice-activated rhythm light, and an air freshener vent clip. It's not just about enhancing your car's ambiance, it's about immersing yourself in a symphony of colors and fragrances while on the road. With Bluetooth connectivity and a dedicated app, you have complete control over your LED car lights. Choose from a staggering 16 million colors, experiment with 170 dynamic lighting modes, and adjust brightness and speed from 1% to 100%. Number 7. Niceada Car Air Freshener. The air freshener harnesses the power of the sun with its efficient solar energy collector. This means it can gracefully rotate anywhere outdoors, catching the sun's glimmer without the need for batteries or cables. It's not just an air freshener, it's a unique solar-powered decoration for your car or home. The natural beech wood base of this air freshener not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also serves a practical purpose. It retains your favorite essential oils for a long time and allows them to evaporate slowly, ensuring a lasting and delightful fragrance. Number 8. Kurgo Universal Car Seatbelt for Pets. When it comes to driving safely with your furry friend, Kurgo has your back. The dog seatbelt tether keeps your dog securely in the backseat, preventing them from wandering into your lap and causing distractions. It's designed with your safety and your pet's comfort in mind. Number 9. Ougether Portable Car Headrest Fan. Don't let the scorching heat of summer ruin your car rides. The car seat cooling fan delivers a refreshing breeze to your back and car seats, helping you bid farewell to sweltering discomfort and sweat. It's your reliable companion for a cool and enjoyable summer drive. With 3 adjustable fan speed levels, low, medium, and high, you have complete control over your cooling experience. Simply mount it to the front seat using the adjustable strap attached to the headrest bar and let the cooling begin. Tailor the airflow to your liking and stay refreshed during your journey. Stay comfortable and cool with the Ougether Portable Car Headrest Fan. Whether you're on a long road trip or a short commute, beat the heat and enjoy every drive to the fullest. Number 10. LuxuryTeech Windshield Wiper Regroover. With the LuxuryTeech Windshield Wiper Regroover, you can significantly increase the lifespan of your wiper blades. Save money and reduce waste by making your wiper blades last up to 3 times longer. This tool is incredibly user-friendly. Lift your wiper blade and clean it thoroughly using the included sponge. Then, with a regular motion, pass along the rubber of the wiper blade. For easier operation, pre-coat the rubber on the windshield wiper with a little dish soap or liquid soap. Number 11. Joytutus Cup Holder Phone Mount for Car. With the new cup phone holder, you can not only place your cell phone but also your large water bottle or beverage cup in the cup holder. No more searching for your phone or dealing with inadequate cup holders. The Joytutus Cup Holder Expander can adapt to popular brand bottles or cups ranging from 18 to 40 ounces. Customize your viewing experience with the ability to rotate the car phone mount head a full 360 degrees. This allows you to use navigation apps with a horizontal screen for better visibility. The extendable arm can be adjusted to your preferred length, and the clip ensures your smartphone stays stable, preventing any shaking or accidental drops. Number 12. Viofo 4K HDR Dash. Equipped with a cutting-edge sensor, the device sets a new standard for 4K dash cameras. Its real 4K UHD dual-channel front and rear camera system records in stunning 4K resolution at the front and 1080p at the rear. This means you capture license plate information crisply even in motion both day and night. The sensor, with larger image pixels, enhances low-light recording. Combined with a 7-glass aperture lens and HDR technology, the camera delivers superior night vision. You'll enjoy a clearer image at night with balanced lighting even in darker areas. Enjoy the fastest Wi-Fi data transfer for seamless video previewing, downloading and sharing with the upgraded 5 GHz Wi-Fi module. The GPS logger records your speed and location, and timestamps are embedded in the video for added context. Number 13. Car Emergency Kit 23-in-1 Multifunctional Roadside Assistance. With the Adakit 23-in-1 Car Emergency Kit, you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you're well prepared for any roadside situation. Stay safe and drive with confidence. Every accessory in this kit is made from sturdy materials, prioritizing safety and reliability. Adakit Roadside Emergency Set includes reflective warning triangle jumper cables, 10 feet tow rope window breaker, and much more. Number 14. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. This portable air compressor means business. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a robust airflow, it's designed to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Need to fully inflate a car tire? It can do it in just 7 minutes. The large LED display provides real-time pressure values in inflation mode, offering easy monitoring of your tire pressure status. With 5 operation modes and 4 pressure units, PSI, bar, kPa, kilogram per square centimeter, you can choose the most convenient pump mode for your needs. Plus, the auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation, ensuring your tires are properly inflated. Stay prepared and keep your tires in top shape with the Caitlin 150 psi portable air compressor. Number 15. Norshire Digital Tire Pressure. This device is not your ordinary tire pressure gauge. It's a true multifunctional tool. In addition to measuring tire pressure, it also serves as a thermometer and atmospheric pressure gauge. You can view the temperature in both Celsius and Fahrenheit. Stay ahead of your tire maintenance with the Norshire Digital Tire Pressure Gauge, the all-in-one tire health monitor you've been looking for. And there you have it, folks. 19 incredible car gadgets that can truly transform your driving experience. From safety enhancements to entertainment options, these gadgets offer a glimpse into the future of automotive technology. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of cool car gadgets. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. Until next time, happy driving.